I welcome Snehal Desai, sir, for the next lecture. Snehal B. Desai is a CEO in a conglomerate group based at Ahmedabad. He did his BTech from and CEPT Ahmedabad and later did MBA in finance. He worked with a venture capital company initially and later on joined Adani Group. He has a strong domain exposure and control in various functions, example, due diligence, building, organization, business, and even acquiring business. He has worked in different business in different capacities at various places and even has done financial closure worth rupees 80,000 crores. Have acquired a number of companies in Europe. He is also visiting faculty at IIM Ahmedabad, IFT Delhi, and various other organizations. He is also founder and guitarist with a band called Blood Brothers. And now Mr. Desai is starting his own residential academic institute spread in 5 lakh square feet of area by 15th of Sep. He also has been appointed as an observer for OC and MMC faculties by ICA. That is a proud moment for ICA Ahmedabad. Now, I am honoring the sir.
Good morning. So, congratulations for becoming CA. Hard work naturally, and still, no. I always tell people in my session that stock market is much more predictable than the CA result. So, if you become CA, it's a good part. Very tough degree and required lots of perseverance, particularly I'll say, no, because certain things cannot be achieved without continuing within the problems for a longer period of time. Fine, one part of the life is through and the another part start. So now you all would be searching for a job and it's a process, no? Even today also we search for something new, no? And existing chartered accountant companies are searching for a new client. So there's a part of life. It's not an abnormal process, very normal process, subject to you really take it on a lighter side. I saw people are very serious. See, I think the pressures are always on all sides. So people who are outside who are not CA, they are worried they are not CA, and people who are inside they are CA, they are worried that they are CA. So if you really see, the problem exists everywhere. So I think let's enjoy the moment that you are a chartered accountant. Because you cannot keep on remaining in a perennial problem stating I am a CA but I don't have a job. And then you will have a job and then you will say that for this job I become a CA. So then again you will search for a job and then you will get another job and then again you will feel this is not the kind of job I am looking forward for. So it's a process, it's not abnormal. So and why this thing is looks very abnormal to you, because lots of factors never come to you. For example, the fact number 1, as he correctly said, when I was listening him, he said very correctly that your job may not be up to the mark. I'll collect it little bit. So your first job is supposed to be a disaster. And why this need to be conveyed to the people? Because people have lots of wrong conception in their mind about the job they are. Let's be clear, why an organization is going to rely on a person who is just become a chartered accountant and joining an organization? Don't you think so you require to earn their trust? Don't you think so you require to go and prove your commitment to the work? And that takes time. So how can you expect that your first job is supposed to be good? And that is where the problem starts. So my job is to prepare you for 2 things. One is for the corporate and second is for an interview, right? Your past chairman, Vinit Bhai, met me. So he was there. I said, Snehal Bhai, tame, no, I badana kahiye formal pero. See, I was wearing a formal. And it's a fact of life. And you must follow that protocol. When I was searching for a job, I'm an MBA. So I used to wear jeans and t-shirt because that's the cheapest cloth available, which lasts long, naturally. So people used to tell me that there are campus placement today. So all the students of an MBA come to know that there's a placement company coming today. Why? Because on that particular day, people used to find me in a grey pant and a white shirt, formal. So it's very necessary to pass through that process. When I was desperate, I was looking for a job, I was in need of a job, I joined an organization, I kept on growing in terms of designation, assistant manager, deputy manager, GM, AGM. I was looking for my bank balance. I was looking for my some of the learning. When this has not happened and I was in need of a job, I was wearing formal. So you have to follow those protocol. Today, God grace, I don't need a job. So I have been migrated. So no, because you learn lots of wrong thing from me. So he said ki Snail bhai, you have to convey. Well, don't worry, I'll convey. But then he also see this phone. So I said, see, this what they should learn, they will not learn. So they will still keep on spending on iPhone and the costly mobile, but they will argue ki Snail bhai doesn't wear a formal, why we required to wear a formal. Okay, follow me, done. Snail bhai reads 7 newspaper, why you don't read? Snail bhai asks lots of questions as an idiot when he doesn't understand. Why you don't ask a question? Snail bhai uses a simple phone. Why you don't use a simple phone? Snail bhai does not bother about his image. Why you bother about your image? So if you want to follow, follow thoroughly. Otherwise, follow protocol. Done? So I do not need later on those arguments coming from you. Sir, मेरा time नहीं blazer पहनना पड़ता है. And right now, you do not represent you. You represent your institute. Whenever I represent my organization, I represent their protocol. Whenever I do not, here I am not behalf of my organization. Here I am in my individual capacity. So I am into this, right? So coming back to the job and the corporates, let me clarify two things. One is your first job would be ordinary. Why I am telling you? I do not want you to be under pressure once you join a corporates. Sir, job में दम नहीं है. और ये क्यों होता है? Because you carry a lots of wrong belief. Your job will be. There are lots of CA. Your job would be ordinary. Your job would be pathetic. 6 months down the line, the CA who joined the corporate, they call me and they say, sir, I have joined corporate. I said, very good, sir. My job is very ordinary. I said, excellent. Bola, I am very happy. I said, why you are very happy? Bola, sir, whatever you have said is precisely happening. So I know I am on a track. So अगर तुम्हारा पहला job अच्छा है, you are in trouble. And why I'm telling you this, because the day you'll join a corporate and you'll realize that your job is ordinary, you'll realize, see, I think day one, if you're going to get an excellence, those excellence are supposed to be disaster. It's not an excellence. 15 saal, Dhoni slogged. And then 16th year, people came to know there is someone called Dhoni. Tendulkar, पहले दिन तो पानी देने गया था ना ग्राउंड में. Though he was a part of team. Or if you don't believe me, you have 2 chartered accountants sitting here and I am the 3rd MBA. Ask them what was their first job. आपका क्या पहला job था? Okay, I'll come back on them. My first job was as an MBA is to Xerox the file. And I am serious on this note. Okay. And why I am telling you, I do not want you to get demotivated stating कि मेरा job भाई कंपनी चेक करती है आपको यार कि इसको एक ऑर्डिनरी काम दे रहे हैं, इसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट है कि नहीं. And then you actually go on to those league. And that's what I'm saying. Remain calm, keep on working. My job was a Xeroxing. Your first job?
Consultant from CFO.
Okay.
Approaching only 4 students batch, having total receipt of 5,000 rupees.
I think more important is 4 students. And I have seen people's commitment goes down, their internal strength goes down. अगर ये 250 की जगह पे 4 बैठे और मेरे में एनर्जी नहीं है, do you think I am qualified to address you? यहाँ 1 बैठे या 1000 बैठे, हमारा कमिटमेंट सेम रहना चाहिए कि नहीं? That is what is saying indirectly. 4 students. And that's what I am trying to tell you. तुम्हें Xerox का काम दे, तुम्हें CEO बनाए, तुम्हें CFO बनाए, or you are going to list a company on as an IPO on a stock market, your commitment level to those jobs will remain the same. And that, I can tell you, it sounds very easy to you. 5 से 10% लोगों का वो commitment रहता है. You all want a big name, you all want a big profile, you all want a big copy. I still recollect one of the days, one of my CEO was against me. ये अदानी का story है. And I have been shifted from one of my group company to that particular company, and CEO realized that he is an old employee of a group, so literally he is going to check me. That was not the intention. The chairman never said that. But then that CEO, to harass me, he has given me I think this is same size of table and laptop. So I used to put my laptop here, and previous job I was sitting in a cabin. और ये मेरे को दिया. And I had been asked to sit next to an officer, though I was GM at point of time. And one day the chairman come and said, still यहाँ बिठाया? मैं हाँ. मतलब सर लिफ्ट के बाजू में, सिक्योरिटी के गार्ड के बाजू में भी अगर हमें जगह दे देंगे ना, तो हम वहाँ नौकरी कर लेंगे. So those cabin, those infrastructures, those position, if it's going to make a difference to your life, you are not going to grow. समझे आप? सो कोई भी जॉब है, हाँ, जब ये ऑर्डिनरी जॉब अच्छे से करोगे, यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग अ गुड जॉब. दैट्स माई गारंटी. बट 2 years, whatever job has been given to you, good, bad, ordinary, pathetic, you have to give your 1000%. And I have told numerous times to all chartered accountants across the country, never applied the mind. जो दिमाग लगाते हैं उसका ग्रोथ नहीं होता है, और तुम लोग दिमाग लगाते हो ना. व्हाट इट मीन, तुमने सीए ज्वाइन किया तो सीए में दिमाग नहीं लगाओ भाई. सीए ज्वाइन किया, सीए करना है, पास होंगे नहीं होंगे, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट सेकंड अटेम्प्ट बंद. यू गिव 1000%. तुमने कंपनी ज्वाइन कर ली है, अच्छी जॉब बुरी जॉब, प्रमोशन होगा नहीं होगा, इंक्रीमेंट होगा, स्टॉप, अप्लाई एंड सी द रिजल्ट. So there are 2 things I promise you. Your first job is supposed to be ordinary, 99% case, 1% always an exception, and all of you will get a job. That's my second commitment. पिछले 10 साल से शायद मैं ओरिएंटेशन में आता हूं, और मैं 10 साल में बच्चों को कमिटमेंट दिया है कि तुम्हारी 6 महीने में अगर जॉब नहीं लगती है तो सेंड योर सीवी टू मी, आई विल प्लेस यू समवेयर. और 10 साल में आज तक एक भी स्टूडेंट वापस नहीं आया है. रिलैक्स. Clear? So you are good, you are bad, you are excellent, you are disaster, you will get a job. So do not bother. So now with this, so और ये होगा, you will remember me. See, that's the best way to ensure people remember you when you will get a placement later. ओ हो जाता है. वो कैसे होता है भगवान नहीं. और मैंने तो इतने निकम में प्रोफेशनल्स कॉर्पोरेट में देखा है कि उन लोगों को देखने के बाद तो मैं क्लियर हूं कि भाई आपको तो जॉब मिलेगा ही. सो आप वो टेंशन छोड़ दो. I never thought when I was an MBA that I am qualified to be a CEO, but one day one CEO joined our organization, and that day I got convinced that if he can be a CEO, I am supposed to be a CEO. So based on those experiences I am sharing with you, you people will get a job, so relax. Now point is, it's not about getting a job. Point is, what are the kind of life we are going to live as a professional? Are you going to become a chartered accountant and you are going to live as a CA, or you are going to live as a unique chartered accountant? So this is where the story will begin. And are you going to be a CA or are you going to be a unique chartered accountant? How you apply yourself in those jobs and those corporates, that's going to decide. Coming back, a good professional have a solid interfunctional clarity. So जहां भी जॉब मिले, जिस डिपार्टमेंट में जॉब मिले, अपने डिपार्टमेंट के अलावा सब डिपार्टमेंट की इंफॉर्मेशन तुम्हारे पास होनी चाहिए. और डेटा वहीं से आता है. सो आपके डिपार्टमेंट की इंफॉर्मेशन क्यों नहीं होनी चाहिए? वो तो ऑटोमेटिक हो ही जाएगी, क्योंकि वो तो जॉब कर रहे हो आप. सो लोगों की तकलीफ क्या होती है? दे सी लाइक दिस, सर, सो यू आर जॉइन अ फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट. कॉस्टिंग कहां से बनता है? सो कॉस्टिंग कम फ्रॉम प्रोडक्शन? नो, कॉस्टिंग कम फ्रॉम मार्केटिंग. प्रोडक्शन कम फ्रॉम मार्केटिंग, क्योंकि उसको प्रोड्यूस कितना करना है, हु टेल इन मार्केटिंग. And then you are preparing a costing. So when he is saying I am going to sell 100 crore of goods, you are the production head is going to say that the cost of production will be 80 crore rupees. So now you comes in a picture that if he is going to cost an 80 crores on a production, then naturally the working capital required is around 50 to 60 crore. So now you apply to a bank stating I need a working capital of 50 crore rupees. Now this is your department, so you are preparing a costing. But you know now all interfunctional department. तो आपको आपके बॉस को जाके बोल रहे हैं कि सर ये मार्केटिंग का हेड थोड़ा बदमाश दिखता है, तो अगर ये 100 करोड़ का सेल्स बोलता है ना, तो सर ये 130 करोड़ का सेल्स करके क्या लाएगा? क्यों? तो बोले सर वो 100 करोड़ बोलेगा, 130 करेगा, और बाद में बोलेगा सर मैंने 30 करोड़ ज्यादा किया, मेरे को इंसेंटिव दो. सो योर बॉस विल से, तो अपने को क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तुम्हें फर्क पड़ता है 100 करोड़ की जगह पे 130 करोड़ का सेल्स हुआ, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन 100 करोड़ हो गया, 50 करोड़ की जगह पे 70 करोड़ का वर्किंग कैपिटल चाहिए, आपने 50 करोड़ किए थे, लास्ट 20 करोड़ यू विल मैनेज समवेयर एट हायर इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट विल अफेक्ट द मार्जिन. अब ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग तुम्हारे में आनी चाहिए, है ना? तो अच्छे बच्चे की तरह डिपार्टमेंट में जॉब करके वापस नहीं आना है, समझे? किसका किसके साथ बनता है, किसका झगड़ा हो रहा है, किसका नहीं चल रहा है, किसका चल रहा है, सीईओ ने किसको डांटा, ये सब मालूम होना चाहिए. ग्रोथ की पैटर्न है भाई. तुम्हारा डोमेन नॉलेज मजबूत है. आई डोंट नॉट नीड टू बहुत भाई तुम सीए हो गए, और मैं एक बात बताऊं, आदमी गलती से एमबीए हो सकता है, आदमी गलती से सीए नहीं हो सकता है. और ये मैं खुद एमबीए को बोल रहा हूं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं एमबीए नहीं और बोल रहा हूं, क्योंकि अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे तो मैं गलती से एमबीए हुआ हूं, मेरे को डाउट नहीं है और मुझे बोलने में शर्म नहीं है, क्योंकि आदमी अपने आप को जानता है तो सुधर सकता है. तो लोग हमें बोलते हैं आप एमबीए फाइनेंस हो, हम बोलते हैं हम एमबीए डिजास्टर है, बट वो बोलता था तो बोले हम है, तो हम सीखे, क्योंकि हमें मालूम था कि हमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं आते. सो तुम्हारा डोमेन का टेंशन छोड़ दो, द अदर साइड यू रिक्वायर टू इंप्रूव ऑन, यू रिक्वायर टू टेक केयर ऑफ. ठीक है. नाउ इंटरव्यू, the greatest error people make in interview. Do you know why you do not get selected in your job? 95% of you do not get selected in an interview process not because you don't answer what they ask, not because you don't answer what they ask, because you don't understand what you speak. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? It sounds very easy, but this is the most common. You don't understand what you speak. And I can give you 9. And to get clear your interview, you don't require to be the best. To clear your interview, you require to be better than others. So अगर 10 लोगों का इंटरव्यू हुआ है, उसमें से 9 के जगह पे तुमने वो गलतियां नहीं की जो 9 ने की है, तो you'll be through or not? You'll be through or not? And what error people make, they don't understand what they speak. Now what I mean by that, चलिए कि and I have seen this, iPhone कैसा था, मूवी कैसी थी, excellent. अब उसको मुझे क्या excellent लगा तो भगवान जाने. Now he is confused. He doesn't understand. So when we ask to people, why you want to join this company? And do you know what they answer? Sir, it is one of the good company. Next question, why you feel it's a good company? My friend told. ना आप क्या ऐसा समझ रहे हो कि पैनल इतनी मूर्ख है कि जो आप बोलोगे समझ लेगी, और तुम ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हारा फ्रेंड इतना कॉम्पिटेंट है कि उसको समझ में आ रहा है कि कंपनी में क्या चल रहा है. So why you applied for that company? Any idea what the answer? Why you applied for my company is the question has been raised. So why you applied for the company? Any idea anyone have? You can spell out. कोई, कि ये तो पूछेंगे कोई कि भाई आपने हमारी कंपनी में अप्लाई क्यों किया? Why you opted for my company? So there are other companies that are not providing. So point is neither profile nor vacancy. Simple. Simplicity is the most luxurious thing exist on the earth. And 99% people cannot be simple. Sir, I become a chartered accountant. I am searching for a job. I have applied in campus and you people shortlisted. And honestly tell me what else reason you have. This is one of the best company to work with. We just interviewed son of the person and he is working with Reliance. So I said, sir, why you want to join our company? And he made a very beautiful answer. Sir, I want to work with big organization. And he is working with Reliance. People don't understand what they speak because people speak to prove. People don't speak to express. There's a difference between speaking to prove and to express. Express is, this is my opinion, I believe in. Proving is, this is what I believe and that is right, and that's where we differ. And there are 99% professionals today probably are not sharp, but there are 1% professionals who are very balanced, very competent and very wise, and the job is only for those 1% people only. So you need to be relaxed, you don't need to prove, you need to express. If you don't select you, why will select you? Okay, that's the question. ये आता है, why we should hire you? इसके जवाब क्या होंगे? और आप बोलो भाई कि क्या बोलना आता नहीं है, कंटेंट है नहीं, तो पूछ के ही बेस्ट वे टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. सो लोग जवाब दे तो अपना सेशन खत्म हो जाए. बताओ भाई. So tell me कि why we should hire you? जवाब क्या होता है इसका? And these are the basic questions of life. I am still not asking you what is the capital structure and what point of time you are going to play around with capital structures. What is an optimum capital structure? I am not talking. I am not talking about capital asset pricing model. Describe capital asset pricing model. I am not asking you. I am asking you basic questions of life. Why we should hire you? हाँ बोलो.
Because my capability match your job description.
Match. And just imagine, do you think you even understand the job descriptions? Acha, do you understand your capability? Forget about understanding organization job descriptions. Do you see, and it's natural. At this age, you don't understand your capabilities. It is bosses. It is the faculty. It is the mentor who understand your capability and they build accordingly you. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? So don't give, sir. There are people who answered. Sir, I am good among others. Now you do not know who these others. And do you think any mature person is going to say this? So your answer is simple, sir. You are the right judge. You have interviewed me. You have interviewed others. Right? So you are the right person to decide. I feel you are not the right person, sir. Perfectly all right. I'll improve. And wherever you feel I need to improve, please let me know. So where is the descriptions coming? People fumble on the basics. Your strength. So clear with this question कि भाई आप ये कंपनी क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, आप ये प्रोफाइल क्यों जॉब करना चाहते हो, why we, these are the common questions. There are two kind of questions comes in interview. One question where they need an answer from you, and one type of questions where they want to check your mental balance. A sharp candidate will pick and choose and play. So what you did? I am a CA. Stop. And I have seen people doing stories. है ना, और 10 में से 9 कर लेते, 1 नहीं करते, तो वो तो आ ही जाएगा ना. स्ट्रेंथ क्या है आपकी? कोई भी बोलो. Anyone can spell out their strength. What is the strength? Explain.
Passionate towards the work.
Sorry?
Passionate towards your work.
No, workaholic. See, now there is another word came up. So you said your strength is workaholic. Is it a strength or is it a need? So, and it's not his mistake. He's answering. Everyone has similar problem. Now there are people who are very clean with certain thought processes in life. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? So those basics. And that is where we said your strength, you need to be very clear. And honestly, don't you think so? You should be clear with your strength. There is a question which is we have asked to there are a panel, and this was we are hiring for one of the big 4 in Mumbai. So the question has been raised, why you are not after for an MBA? So there were 3 chartered accountant, 4th I, we were sitting and he started talking. Sir, MBA में क्या detail में नहीं जाते, the depth नहीं अब you are indirectly criticizing MBA. Why we need to do that? So we'll not talk anyone. We'll talk us. We'll not talk. And people fumble. Why? Because they want to prove. So you don't need to get into those process of proving yourself. You need to, and basics, what is your strength? What is your strength? They want you to speak more. What is your weakness? They want you to speak more. But there are questions where they are playing with your mind. I feel you are a very wrong chartered accountant. What he's doing, he's playing with your nose. Don't surrender. Sir, you are experienced, and if I'm not a correct chartered accountant, need to improve. Stop. Don't get into storytelling. So speak less. What is your hobby? Now here are the questions where you have to speak a lot. What hobby reflects? Hobby says that when you are passionate about something, what you like, you become expert and master in that area. So day after tomorrow, when you like your job, you become expert and master in that area. So when you want to see person externally, see them in mirror. When you want to see person internally, see their hobby. Hobby reflects you who you are. And I have seen 95% of the professionals, including chartered accountant and MBA, they are not thorough with their hobby. So what is your hobby? Sir, I am into music. So what you do, and ensure a good professional will never answer completely. You know, on the internet there are hyperlink. Right? So a good candidate will never answer the question has been raised to him. The good candidate will answer precisely the panel ask a question which they want them to ask, and you will answer what you have ensured that they ask. समझे आप? मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, मैं वापस बोलता हूँ. A good candidate will not answer what has been asked. A good candidate will answer precisely what he wants a panel to ask, and he'll answer. So you create a hyperlink, you take people in. So what are the kind of job you are looking forward for? Sir, I would like to work in a greenfield projects. Have you seen the hyperlink? Greenfield. What is greenfield projects? So sir, those which are not brownfield. What are those brownfield projects? Sir, which are already happened in the country and been now. So can you describe me some greenfield project? Now take your chance, play. आपने अगर sportsman को देखा होगा ना, be it a footballer or cricketer, he does not hit on all ball, he wait. वो शांति से बैठता है, and then there are areas where he's through with, he hit them and he shows, this is my capability, this is my competency. So sir, the Greenfield project I believe is a hydrogen grid project, because the whole Europe and America has been working on that, and India has never come out with a single hydrogen project which says that if we are talking a renewable through a green emission or through a renewable energy, naturally we are the one who are going to create this with a higher margin rather than the coal. So I would like to work on a green energy. Now it's a Greenfield project through hydrogen gas. But and that will only come when you are with yourself and you read a lot. So आज से एक चीज clear कर देना. A best way to prepare for an interview is never prepare. Keep reading newspaper daily. आज से 7 दिन 10 दिन, आई होप कि फ्रॉम टुमारो योर इंटरव्यूज आर नॉट स्टार्टिंग, यू विल हैव अ स्पेस 10 days, keep on reading and make it a habit. You in an interview will give a very natural answer and the panel will get convinced. He understands what he speak and he is into it. So if you prepare, you will be under pressure. Certain errors to be removed at the time of giving an interview. बाहर 5-10 लोग बैठे होते आपकी तरह, एक इंटरव्यू देके बाहर आएगा, क्या पूछा, अब वो बोलेगा जो उसको पूछा नहीं है शायद, बट अपने आप को महान प्रूव कर लेगा. मुझे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका में डेट कैसे जीडीपी और ग्रोथ फंड कर रहा है उसके बारे में पूछा. अब आप टेंशन में, तुमने जहां मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, आई आंसर्ड. नाउ यू आर अंडर प्रेशर बिकॉज, और क्वेश्चन के रूल क्या है पता है, जो क्वेश्चन तुम्हें बाहर नहीं आता है ना, वो जब पैनल पूछती है आप जवाब दे देते हो. अब ये पता नहीं कैसे होता है बट ये होता है. और इसीलिए जहां जो भी आदमी इंटरव्यू देके बाहर आता है उससे दूर रहो, ग्रुप से दूर रहो, आपको उसमें पढ़ना ही नहीं है. बिकॉज रेयरली पर्सन सेज कि यार वहां अंदर में डिजास्टर कर गया, उन्होंने पूछा मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया और मैंने जवाब ही नहीं दिए. बिकॉज एवरीवन इज ग्रेट एंड ही प्रूव फर्दर हिमसेल्फ ग्रेट, सो ही कीप ऑन टॉकिंग समथिंग व्हिच यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, देन यू फील कि ही इज कैपेबल एंड यू आर एन इडियट. नो, कंपिटेंट आदमी कभी सामने वालों को ये नहीं बोलता है कि तुम इनकम्पिटेंट और मैं कंपिटेंट हूं, और वो तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आता है. सो मेहरबानी करके, और तकलीफ दूसरी क्या होती है कि ग्रुप में ऑपोजिट जेंडर होते हैं, तो 5-6 लोगों में वो लड़का आया तो ये 6 लोग जो उसको पूछ रहे हैं उसमें 3 लड़कियां है 3 लड़का है. अब जैसे ऑपोजिट जेंडर आता है ये सब चेंज हो जाता है इधर, वो लैंग्वेज चेंज, टॉपिक चेंज, बिकॉज ही एंड्स अप प्रूविंग ही इज द ग्रेटेस्ट इंटेलेक्चुअल अर्थ एग्जिस्ट ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट, और उसमें आप प्रेशर में आते हो. सो प्लीज बी क्लियर, उनसे हमें कुछ नहीं पूछना है. If you get selected, wonderful. You get rejected, wonderful. Because your selection has a no linkage with your capability. The organizations have a criteria under which you fit or not is what they are checking. जैसे निर्मा करके MBA कॉलेज है, अब I teach there सेकेंड ईयर में, सिटी बैंक टेक अ प्लेसमेंट, टाटा AIG कम फॉर अ प्लेसमेंट. और मैं जब पूछता हूं तो बच्चों को पूछता हूं भाई सिटी बैंक ने कितने को लिया, अभी हाथ खड़ा मत करना, उस जो लिया उसमें से कितने गर्ल्स है, सो 80% लड़कियां होती है. और क्यों, सिटी बैंक नीड समवन हु हैंडल हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स, HNIs. अब HNIs के पास पैसे होते हैं, तो पैसे के बाद वो भाई फोन करता है, उसका फोन नहीं उठाता है, वो लेडीज से फोन, और ये पैटर्न रहा है. अब वहां पे एक लड़की सिलेक्ट हो गई, तुम रिजेक्ट हो गए, तुम्हें क्या लगता है शी इज कैपेबल, आई एम नॉट. नो, in those criteria you don't get fit in. It's not that you are not qualified, it's not that you are not capable. So if someone is rejecting you, अभी audit की job है, if there are lots of traveling, the organization will definitely prefer a boy. अच्छा, same audit और compliance की job है, within the system है, so they will prefer the girl. Kotak Bank will prefer the girl. ICICI, if you have to work within the premises, because it's a clear man and boys in general have relatively less concentration compared to women. तो अगर वो वहां पे बैठ के कंप्लाई करते तो उनका कंप्लायंस रिलेटिवली अच्छा होता है. एब्सोल्यूट नहीं, क्योंकि क्या, इन लोगों का दिमाग स्टेबल होता है, बिकॉज दे लुक आफ्टर हस्बैंड, दे लुक आफ्टर सन, दे लुक आफ्टर द फैमिली, दे लुक आफ्टर द बॉस, दे लुक आफ्टर 5 थिंग्स, एंड मैन एज अ क्रिएचर लुक आफ्टर मनी ओनली. तो उनके कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेवल के इश्यूज होते हैं. They are somewhere else because it's all money, and that is the reason SEBI has said that on board of directors we need 2 women. Because the appetite, क्योंकि man take any risk to prove himself right. आप देखो मार्केट में वो इन्वेस्ट करता है, पैसा डूबता है तो बोला मैं तो गलत नहीं हूँ, और डालो, and then there are issues, and woman does not play to prove herself right, so they do not take those risks, and that is where the SEBI comes out with these rules. There are more. So point is, you are getting selected, you are getting rejected, it's not your mistake. You are not getting fit into that profile. Preferably avoid Mumbai, because your life satisfaction will come by get a train on time. So अहमदाबाद में रहोगे, छोटे सिटी में रहोगे, शायद टाइम रहेगा, 4 काम और कर पाओगे, तुम्हारा ओवरऑल प्रोफेशनल कैरेक्टर डेवलप होगा, एंड दैट विल गिव यू ग्रोथ. सो अवॉइड बैंगलोर, अवॉइड मुंबई, अवॉइड गुड़गांव, and if possible, why? Because we don't have a choice right now. If possible, prefer corporates and then consultant. And the logic is very simple. People who do can advise. So if you are doing things in corporate and later on you become an advisor, you start your own company, you will be a much better professional because you have done yourself. Or he can teach, I can teach, because we both were very pathetic students. तो हमें मालूम है कि बच्चे पीछे बैठ के क्या करते हैं, तो इसलिए हम उनको कंट्रोल कर पाते हैं. सो आपको अगर एडवाइजर बनना है तो आपको पीछे बैठ के कंपनी में बिजनेस देखना पड़ेगा और चलाना पड़ेगा. यू विल बी अ बेटर एडवाइजर. विदाउट दैट यू विल नॉट बी. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूं, बट यू विल बी अ बेटर एडवाइजर. सो समिंग अप, what I am saying is start reading newspapers beyond a point. Don't apply your mind. Second, ensure you understand what you speak. Please remove those greatest objective you have written on your CV. Why? 99.99% जो यहां बैठे हैं, उन्होंने अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव जो सीवी में लिखा है, उनको मैं अभी पूछूंगा ना भाई इसको समझाओ, तो समझा नहीं पाएंगे. And what is the requirement of a panel? The requirement of panel is only one. You should understand what you speak and you should be in a position to explain what you have written on the CV submitted by you. और आपको मालूम है बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल जो अपना पेपर उन्होंने जो सीवी सबमिट किया ना, उसमें जो लिखा है वो समझा नहीं पाते. तो आप आपका सीवी ढंग से पढ़ के जाना. आपने जो वर्ड लिखे, जो प्रोजेक्ट लिखे, यू शुड बी थरो विद दैट. ऑडिट में आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, आर्टिकलशिप में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. वो आपने लिखा, समझा पाओगे कि आपने वो किया है. और इसीलिए जब आईसीआईसीआई ने उसको कंपलसरी किया, दैट वाज द वेरी वाइज मूव दे हैव मेड. सो यू कैन नॉट फेक, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाट एवर यू फेक यू कांट एक्सप्लेन, बट बिकॉज दिस यू हैव डन यू कैन एक्सप्लेन कि क्या काम आपने किया हुआ है. सो आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव रिमूव कर लो, क्योंकि वो आपको समझ में नहीं आता है. And be honest in conversation. It is not wrong not knowing some of the answer is natural. जवाब नहीं आता है तो say sorry I do not know. तो आपको ये जवाब नहीं आता, हमारी जॉब में तो ये कंपलसरी, आप क्या करोगे? So what will be the answer? Sir, I don't know right now, but if my job demand this within 3 to 6 months, I'll improve. एंड आई लर्न. और बात तो सही है ना भाई, आज तुम्हें कोई जॉब में कुछ तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, बट चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो चुके हो, सब सब्जेक्ट पढ़े हो, तो उतनी कैपेबिलिटी तो आएगी नहीं कि वो जॉब तुम 3 महीने में सीख लोगे. सो नॉट नोइंग एन आंसर इज अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग. सो जॉब नहीं आता, शांति से बोलो कि सर सॉरी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, और आई डोंट नो द आंसर. एंड देन ही इज सेइंग, ही इज प्लेइंग विथ यू और ही इज ट्राइंग टू चेक यू कि अगर ये जवाब नहीं आता और हमारी जॉब में तो यही करना है. सर आता नहीं है, गिव मी 3 months एंड आई विल प्रोबेबली मास्टर दिस. इज द लेवल ऑफ कमिटमेंट आई हैव टू व्हाट आई डू इन माय लाइफ. Your strength you should know, your weakness you should know, why you want to join a company. Do not give a contradictory answer that I want to start a business 5 years down the line. Why an organization will invest on an employee who is going to leave that job 5 years down the line. और आप अगर कंपनी ज्वाइन करोगे, सीए बनोगे, 1 से 2 साल तो आपको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कल्चर में और जॉब में फिट होने में लगता है. 3रे साल आप परफॉर्म करना शुरू करोगे, 4थे-5वें साल में आपको जाने की बात आ गई. सो दो यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, प्लीज डोंट टेल देम. जिनके फैमिली बैकग्राउंड बिजनेस के है, उनको जॉब बराबर बनाना पड़ेगा, जेन्युइन. और क्योंकि वो जेन्युइन ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, कि वो पूछेगा आपके बिजनेस फादर के बिजनेस क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन करना है. एंड यू टू आंसर दिस, एंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी क्लियर. 1, probably that business does not excite me. 2nd, it's a father business I want to create myself. 3rd, I probably believe that there are lots of learning which will going to happen in corporates through the cross-functional learning rather than going and joining a business. It's very easy to run a business rather than to create a business. It's very difficult to work in a corporate where there are lots of people with a different nature. So बहुत सारे जवाब आपके हो और आपके genuine होने चाहिए. So and each one is different. तुम्हारे चेहरे से मालूम पड़ना चाहिए कि तुम जो बोल रहे हो सही है गलत है. And corporates are very sharp enough to pick up you from your face. And they select people based on those criteria. So let's be clear, जिनके फैमिली के बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड है, अच्छा आप बिजनेस करने वालों आप नहीं बोलोगे. You will not go in, because then they will not consider you. And I don't think so corporate is wrong. Because if you are going to leave the organization 3 years down the line, they are not going to bother. So let's be clear, you should understand what you have written in your CV. You should understand the word which you speak. You should be very clear with some of the questions which they are going to ask. Why this company? Okay, one confusing question is your salary expectation. है, और यहाँ पे लोग बराबर फंसते हैं. Normally, companies always give their salary before they come to a campus. But there are instances where they may deviate and they may ask you then कि भाई आपका सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है. सो आई हैव सीन पीपल आर आंसरिंग समथिंग विच डजंट मेक सेंस. सर 8 लाख, सर 10 लाख, सर 12 लाख. व्हाई? सर दैट्स माय कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग. ये जवाब आते हैं, राइट, कि मेरा खर्चा है. तो कंपनी समटाइम्स में भी रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट, विल पे यू 3 लाख 5 लाख, स्टोरी एंड्स. सो डोंट मेक द स्टेटमेंट. एनी आइडिया व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? Okay, so and if they say as per the rules, perfect. That's the right answer as per the company's policy. Sir, we give 5 lakh 6 lakh, कंपनी बोलती है ना, तो सर फाइन. Now you may not be happy with this number, अच्छा, company is further telling you we don't have a policy. They want you to spell out a number. So now what? As per industry standards. So what is that standard? They want you to spell a number. Spell a number. हाँ जी, हाँ, क्यों 12 to 15? Agree. So you said 12 to 15. Why 12 to 15? So they want a basis. समझा आप? Basis क्या होगा? Just imagine भाई, तुम्हारे फाइनेंस ऑब्लिगेशन के लिए कंपनी पे करे. And that's what I said. People don't understand what they speak. 12-15 बोले, 8-10 जो भी बोलते हो बोलो, रीजनेबल रेंज में रहो. ओके, बेस ये देना है आपको. बेस आपको ये देना है. When he'll say कि 12 lakh, why 12 lakh? Sir, this is the average salary a chartered accountant gets is what my institute told me. तुम्हारे बेसिस पूरे भारत से आ रहे हैं, समझना आप. तुम्हारे बेसिस तुम्हारे यहां से नहीं आ रहे, तुम्हारे फाइनेंशियल ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं आ रहे. नो, योर इंस्टीट्यूट इज रॉन्ग. तो वो आपको नहीं, वो इंस्टीट्यूट को बोल रहा है. एंड एनी मैच्योर विल नॉट डू दैट एरर. सो आप क्या बोल रहे हो? सर 12 लाख क्यों बोले? सर ये इंस्टीट्यूट ने बोला है कि लास्ट ईयर का एवरेज सैलरी था. यू हैव अ बेसिस, यू हैव अ जेन्युइन. अब वो बोल रहा है सॉरी आई कैन पे यू 12 लाख, आई कैन पे यू 10 लाख, आई कैन पे यू 8 लाख. इट्स योर कॉल. एक्सेप्ट करना है, रिजेक्ट करना है, वो तुम्हारा कॉल है. राइट? समटाइम्स यू गेट सिलेक्टेड इन 3-4 कंपनीज. 3-4 कंपनी से कॉल आया तो आपको पूछेंगे. जैसे अभी लोग MBA का एडमिशन चल रहा है, तो वी आर कमिंग अक्रॉस सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स इन IIM हु हैव बीन गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम IIM अहमदाबाद, IIM बैंगलोर, IIM कलकत्ता. सो आपको पूछा जाएगा भाई आपको 4 कंपनी ने बोला है, व्हाई यू विल, इफ आई गिव यू अ जॉब, डू यू थिंक यू विल कंटिन्यू विथ मी? कोई दूसरी कंपनी ज्यादा सैलरी देगी तो आप वहां नहीं जाओगे, है ना? इट्स अ कैच. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? Simplify. Sir, I am a CA. I just become chartered accountant. I am searching for a job. I don't have a job. And the organization who trust me when I am no one, I think that organization I'll trust more rather than the organization who's giving me a job second time. और ये ना, ये तुम्हारी ऑनेस्टी, इंटीग्रिटी, लॉयल्टी सब दिखाता है. और ये फैक्ट भी है. जिंदगी में तुम कुछ नहीं हो, उस टाइम पे तुम्हें जिन लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया है ना, उन लोगों को जिंदगी में भूलना नहीं है तुम्हें. क्योंकि बड़े हो जाओगे तो 500 लोग आएंगे. But when you are no one and the people who are going to stand by with you, these are the people who are the genuine people, and that's where the organization will realize it's a fact of life. And you are joining a company, and this conversation has been not taken place. एक जॉब पहले ले लेना. You understand what I'm saying? 6 lakh, 8 lakh जो मिलता है एक जॉब ले लेना, and keep searching a job. So don't make an error that while waiting for an ideal job, you compromise the earlier job. Right? And organizations are committed to you, you remain committed to the organizations. And if you feel that organizations are absolutely professional to you, you will be a professional where you are going to get a better job and better profile, or in terms of salary, you should shuffle it out. And that's a very genuine way. But if organization support, you will stand by. Organization doesn't support and treat you absolute professional, I think that's perfectly all right to treat a professional in a professional manner. So these are the basic things you require to keep in mind. And I repeat, जो भी जॉब मिलती है, जॉब शांति से करना, कमिटमेंट से करना. 6, 8, 9 महीने के अंदर तुम्हारी जॉब धीरे धीरे इंप्रूव होगी. I have a numerous data across the country with numerous professionals, and that has given the same result. So we are not saying this qualitatively कि हमारे दिमाग में ये स्टेटमेंट आया तो आपको बोल दे this is happening, but there are very few committed people, there are very few honest and genuine people as on that exist within the corporate, and that is the reason the word called crony capitalist evolved, because MBA कॉलेज के अंदर कल्चरल फेस्टिवल होता है, 1.5-2 करोड़ का बजट होता है, बच्चे वहीं से करप्शन सीख जाते हैं. सो इन बच्चों पे तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिलाई कैसे करेगा? सो कल उठ के अगर तुम कमिटेड हो, तुम ऑनेस्ट हो, तो तुम्हारा ग्रोथ गारंटेड है. बट दैट विल टेक टाइम. इट मे टेक 3-5 years, but I think whatever comes with time lasts forever. Whatever comes very fast disappear fast. So remain and believe in this concept. Right? Anyone have any question before we conclude?
So you said whatever job you get first, take it. But there are myths कि आप first job लेते हो, अगर lower, it is paying you lower, then you will change job ना, तो you will get increment based on your last salary. So there is some industry standard that increment you will get.
चलिए, तो पहले तो आपने बोला मिथ, खुद ही बोल दिया ये मिथ है, तो मुझे जवाब देने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर भी मैं जवाब देता हूं. बहुत सही बात बोली आपने कि भाई मैं इसने जॉब ही अगर 4 लाख से शुरुआत की, 3 लाख से शुरुआत की, तो उसके ऊपर उसको कोई 20% ग्रोथ करता है तो भी वो 3.6 होता है. बट मैं बताऊं तो एक चीज, 3.6 होगा, 4 होगा, 4.5 होगा, उस कंपनी में तुम्हारी तरह काम करने वाले कितने लोग हैं वो देखना. और फिर क्या होगा पता है? 100% इंक्रीमेंट, 200% increment, because then what will happen, you as a person would be important rather than your salary. So to retain you whatever need to be paid they will pay. But ये पहले 5 साल नहीं होने वाला है. That's why I said you to wait. समझ रहे हो ना? और शुरू में अगर जॉब, दूसरा समझो यार, how many IIM and IIT pass out are starting their business? Because the earlier you get those growth, your ability to survive in life goes down. इसलिए तो मैस्लो ने बोला था ना, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान जिसके फुलफिल नहीं होते उसके अंदर भयंकर जील होता है जिंदगी में कुछ करने का. सो इफ यू बीन स्टार्टिंग विद 20 लाख ऑफ अ सैलरी, आई थिंक योर सेटिस्फैक्शन हैज बीन अराइव्ड टू अर्ली एंड इन अ प्रोसेस द स्किल एंड द कॉम्पिटेंसी विल नॉट इवॉल्व. सो आप, अच्छा, आई स्टार्टेड विद 10,000, टेक होम 7,000 एंड आई हैव ग्रोन एन्युअली गॉड नोज एट 150% नाउ क्यूमुलेटिव ईयर्स. आपने कितने लोगों को देखा है जिसमें 3 लाख से शुरू किया और बाद में उसका ग्रोथ नहीं हुआ? हमने तो सुना ही है ना. हमने तो देखा है कि कमिटेड लोग का सैलरी कम था और प्रमोटर ने 100%, 150%, 200% बना दिया और दे आर वेरी क्लियर कि मुझे ये बंदा चाहिए, उसको रिटेन करने के लिए जो पे करना है करो. बट वो 5 साल तो जाना पड़ता है ना यार. इन अ एरा ऑफ एन इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन पीपल डू नॉट वांट टू स्लॉग. क्योंकि तुमने ब्लेजर पहना होगा और फोटो भेजी होगी और लाइक तो 10 मिनट में आ गई होगी. अब मैं बोलता हूँ 5 साल वेट करो. सो तकलीफ वाला काम है ना, बट करो, वो होगा और नेक्स्ट विल ग्रो. सो डोंट बॉदर. ये सब स्टोरिया है भाई कि ये कम होता है ना, वो होता है. मेहनत करो, कमिटेड रहो, दिल से काम करो, ग्रोथ होना ही. बच्चे कितने हैं यार आज काम करने वाले, मेरे को बताओ तो सही. तू नीचे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को भाई देख क्या, वो रील देख रहा होगा. लिफ्टमैन को देख क्या, वो रील देख रहा होगा. बाहर ये लोग बैठे हैं, वो रील देख रहा होगा. तो अब बच्चे कितने काम करने वाले यार. सो रिलैक्स. You need to trust your skill, and if you have genuinely worked hard in last 5 years, it's going to pay you off. But you have to believe that. ठीक है ना? और वो होता है. Done? So I think we call it a day. मुझे भी थोड़ा भूख लगा है. I hope you must be hungry. हाँ? Thank you very much. Right? Keep working. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. So as always, you are always on a firing mode, and सब मतलब तारे ज़मीन पर, तो आप स्टूडेंट्स को हमेशा ज़मीन पर ले आते हो एंड ऑल द प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स जो चाहिए बच्चों को, तो यू आर गिविंग ऑन दैट पार्ट. 2 फैकल्टीज, संदीप सर हैव मोटिवेटेड अस कि कैसे काम हो सकता है एंड क्या रियलिटी क्या है वो स्नेहल सर ने बताई. फ्रेंड्स, टुडे दिस 4th सेशन हैव गिवन अ इमेंस नॉलेज टू यू ऑल एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इवन इन योर फ्यूचर वेयर यू आर. एंड कोई भी कंपनी आप ज्वाइन करो. फॉर दैट थिंग ऑल द बेस्ट अगेन फॉर योर फ्यूचर एंड टेक योर मेंबरशिप सून, जैसे आर्टिकल्स भी खत्म हो उसके बाद में. एंड अगेन यू ऑल आर वेलकम फॉर टुमारो एट 6 PM एट रिवर फ्रंट फॉर ओपनिंग ऑफ अ न्यू ब्रांच. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.